About 1 year ago, the University of Montevallo broke ground to build the new 3D art facility. And at the beginning of the spring 2015 semester, the new art building was open for classes.
I started out with a plan to renovate the building that's next door. That building was the old physical plant building. So we have a new physical plant, and that's what we were able to move into. It was a great boon to the art department. We doubled our size. But it wasn't designed specifically for art. So we have been in there for over 20 years, and we have just sort of reached our capacity with that building.
The 1908 brick building was determined to be unsound. There was talk of trying to save the building through innovation, but
And it just became much more feasible to take the building down and build a new building.
so with that, the 3D art building was born. But it wasn't built just like any other building. Each corner was strategically planned in order to make full use of the building that will be here for decades. Scott Meyer, an art professor here at Montevallo, designed the building with care.
Unlike most of these projects where the artists are the last people considered, classic Montevallo, we were the first people considered. And how heady is it to sit down at a drawing table with a piece of graph paper, and wherever you draw a line, there's going to be a wall there for 100 years. And it sort of makes you sweat a little bit because you better draw it right, We've been in here since the beginning of the semester, and I have yet to see a regret of any kind. It's just a wonderful housing for what we do,
The new building features a 3D classroom, a metal shop, a ceramic studio, a glaze and mixing room, and even a kiln patio.
And put that there.
So what better time is there to dedicate the new building than through homecoming? On Saturday, February 14th, dozens gathered around to witness the ribbon-cutting ceremony as well as take a tour of the new facility. President Stewart, along with important donors to the building, helped cut the ribbon to formally dedicate the facility. Ted Metz, an art professor at Montevallo, explains how the new building is exciting, but not just for the students.
And naturally, this kind of thing reinvigorates the faculty. We've always been good and always been supportive and always had students first, but now we're kind of pumped up and excited about the new space as well.
Reporting for the College of Fine Arts,
it's going to be good for everybody.
I'm Sydney Fields.